The Dodgers bring the lumber tonight to go with Big Maple. They got the lumber if they have blasted 4 home runs tonight. Austin Barnes, the 9-hitter, delivers, and it's 5-2 for Ohtani. He's got a 2-0 count. Crawford trying to hit the 5th home run of the night. Barnes' first home run of the season, guys. Ohtani, right field, forget about it. A massive shot. Wow. 473 feet for Shohei Ohtani. The Dodgers' 5th home run of the night.
That was a shot.
He almost hit it out of here.
I think that's the furthest ball I've seen hit in this stadium. I've seen Giancarlo Stanton go over everything in left field. But Shohei Ohtani, and you see the distance on the top left. Ridiculous.
Did that go over the roof? Is that on top of the roof? I gotta see it again.
That. And now Ohtani sends the ball in the air, down the right field line, towards the pole. It is gone! It brings rain back-to-back, and 6-4. One from the newest Dodger, one from the